Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you some of the stuff that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I am blown away at how much stuff was new and super cute. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna just jump into this. Okay, my first exciting finds are these. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. And it's the size of my hand, so it's not too small, but it's not really big. But look at that color. So I got that one, which is the white one. I got this green one, and I don't need these, but one of my sisters, she loves like, I wouldn't say mermaid theme, but she has like a beach theme going on in her bathroom. And so when I saw all of this, I was like, okay, I have to send all of this stuff to my sister. So whether she wants it or not, she's getting all of this in a box. Now, if you're having a mermaid or a beach theme party or something like that, these would be so cute. Look at these. And then the last one is this pink one. Oh gosh, these are so pretty. Dollar Tree is really doing the most. So I did pick up those 4. The next thing would be these really pretty trinket dishes. So they pretty much match the colors that I just showed you, but these are just flat on that side. So they look like this. So it's the same colors, the white, that pretty green, this pink one, and this gray one. So then the next items were these seashell thingies, like on a pedestal type, you know, decor. I think that's super cute. They had that one. They had this one. Looks like that on the back. And then they also had this one right here. Next, I grabbed these cute little jars that have the little wood thing hanging on it, and that's a starfish. And I just thought these were really pretty. So I grabbed that blue one. I grabbed this turquoise one. And the white one has an anchor on it. Really cute. So those were the only 3 that I saw. They also had some beach themed candles, and like I said, hopefully my sister enjoys all of this stuff. I did smell them because they don't come with tops on them or anything, but they smell pretty good. This one is Beachside Breeze, and it's in that pretty jar. The next one was the white one, and it's salted seagrass. That one smells good. I like that one. And then the last one is this navy blue, and this one is called Ocean Mist. In my last come with me video, I did show you guys these in the store, and I went ahead and I picked them up. I didn't pick them up at that time, but I went ahead and got them this time. And it's this one with the like coral reef on it, the white frosted glass. So I picked her up that one. I got her this one, the blue. There was 2 different blues, but the starfish and the seashell. The only one that I didn't pick up was like that turquoise color one, and it had a seahorse on the front, but I did get these. I also went ahead and got her, like from the walk with me video, the wax warmers that look like fish. I know my sister is gonna be like, girl. But I couldn't help it because these are super cute. So I got her that. I'll see if, I don't know, maybe I'll send something to, or take something to my mom too. Maybe one of each, and then send the rest to my sister. But then I did get this one, and yeah. You just put the tea light candle in here, you put the wax up there, and it melts. So I did get the gray, the turquoise, and then both of the blue color ones that they had. I really like that navy blue. That is so pretty. And keeping up with the theme, I did pick up these cute little stickers because I was thinking ahead. I was like, when I package my sister's box, and she doesn't know, hopefully she doesn't watch this video, but if she does, oh well. Hey girl. But I planned on putting all of these stickers on the box when I send her all of the beach themed stuff. So that's why I picked up those. Then I saw this, and I thought it was just cute. Sticky notes, 75 of them, prickly today. So I grabbed that. I did grab one of the Yardley activated charcoal soaps. I was told by somebody, I think on Instagram, they said that they got really dried out from this. So I'm going to try this and see. I think I have oily and dry skin. Sometimes I'm oily, sometimes I'm dry. So if this is drying, then I won't purchase it again, but we'll see about that one. I always pick these up, and usually I pick them up in multiples because I have 3 bathrooms, so I like to keep 3 in each one. I do not like the lavender scent, so I always get the lemon. They only had 1, so I'll have to find some more next time I go to another Dollar Tree. If not, I'll just grab one when I go to the 99-cent store because they keep them there too. And then the last 2 items that I found and picked up were these mini bars. And I have never tried these before, so we're going to see about these. It says no preservatives, no artificial color, gluten-free, and high protein. And they are individually wrapped. So I want to give those a try, but I was more excited by this one, mini bars peanuts. And so it says peanut, sugar, white sesame, salt. I don't know, they just sound pretty good. So I went ahead and got both of those bags. Okay, you guys, so that will wrap up today's Dollar Tree video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Happy hunting, because I know a lot of you love mermaids, and I'm sure you guys will be on the hunt for these. In case anybody asks, let me see. There is the number for the tails. I don't even know how that helps, but I get a lot of people that email me and ask me for the numbers. And I completely forget. I don't know if you can just, I've never done it, but I don't know if you can go to online to Dollar Tree, or you can call and find out where the, you know, how to find the products. I don't know, but these are the numbers. And let's see, for the trays, you have this one right here. If it'll focus, there it is. And just in case, because I know when I don't show something, somebody will ask, here is the number for these jars. There it is. And that will be it. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.